How you going, people? This may only be for cops, but if you have any snaps, it's probably not a bad idea to clean them. I mean, I've worn, these are called belt keepers, and they go around your duty belt. You slide this under your regular belt, and then your duty belt goes in here, and you snap it in here, and it keeps your duty belt the same as your web belt. The old Western days of wearing a gun belt sagging, well, if you want your duty belt to stay with your regular belt, you put what's called keepers on them. And these keepers are made in leather if you're wearing leather. They're also made in rubber or plastic if you're using rubber or plastic. I don't know if that's coming in or not. The difference between leather and plastic. So, and I've got, these are laying around from old gear, and I've gotten rid of holsters and leather gears over the years, and I've got all kind of different keepers. But like this is a plain keeper, it's got design, this is plastic, whatever. If I find, every once in a while I'll throw on my duty belt to do a tactical. I'm about to do some training on a few little tactics because I cracked on that guy on that tactical cool video. And I was putting my keepers on, I'm like, damn, these snaps are freaking hard to open and close. So, I came up here and just cleaned them, and it made a big difference. In 30 years of wearing keepers, I've never cleaned my keeper snaps. And all I did is, you can use either oil or whatever. I just put it on a Q-tip. Just squirt a little oil, whatever your oil of choice is, and just give the inside and the outside and the inside of the snap. And I got a little, I just use this Super Lube because I like, this stuff works pretty good. And so I squirted some of this into this tube. Got that from Buckster. And then I just kind of squirted a little of this on a Q-tip. And so I just put a little lube there. And then I ran it inside each hole, and then on the outside and inside of each of these. Try to get closer here. Y'all can see that. Inside, around the outside, and then on the snap itself, inside. There's nothing really contacting the outside. There's no reason to clean the outside, but if you want to clean it, you can. But I'll tell you what, man, it made a big stinking difference. These things snap easier, and they unsnap easier for me to take them on and off. Like I said, I've been wearing these for 30 years, cop, and never cleaned a keeper. And but if you notice your keeper, I took these off, and I was like, damn, I couldn't get, I was like, snap, wow. And a little bit of oil hooked it right up. Anyway, hope that helps. I'm sure you can do the same for zippers or other snaps.